Prakash and Siril from Dubai Municipality. These guys are managing the environment. My understanding is, Prakash, you are the guy that does the day-to-day management of Big Switch. Okay. So what can you tell these guys, Prakash, about the product, you know, and what somebody's thinking, okay, I want to make the jump, but I don't want the risk. I don't want to be that guinea pig that went for the solution.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Yeah, see, actually, we deployed these switches 3 years back. We had old legacy switches before. Now we have big switch, like easy to configure. We made a data center within 2 working days. So, like we had a configuration, offline deployment, everything was there. Just it was a matter of connecting the cables with the spine and leaf and move the servers. It was very fast. And now we are managing like last 2 years without any issues. So it's very smooth and easy to configure. We have complete visibility with complete fabric, and it's an excellent product.
So how does it compare? You know, before I think you had a Cisco setup.
We had a Nortel. We had a Nortel.
Nortel setup. How does it compare to the day-to-day? You know, how did your day-to-day change when you moved to the Big Switch solution?
Yeah. See, Nortel, it was again the very old switches, like 10, 12 years old switches, legacy switches. And like no, it was having very few, maximum ports capacity was 10 gig. And like we had a problem with the spinning tree loops and this. CPU utilization sometimes went very high. So now we are not facing any issues with this big switches. It's loop free and smooth.
How many issues have you had? You think you've been running the product for 2 years. How many issues have you faced?
Actually, we faced one time when controller was not syncing with the primary controller, backup controller was not syncing with primary, and it was fixed within half an hour time. That's it.
Very nice, very nice. Actually, one of the interesting stories you guys were telling me earlier is you had to go to the US at one point for training, and Prakash Siril had to take over the environment. Can you tell us that experience?
So he went to US and I was working on multiple issues for F5 because I'm mostly for F5, and then he just came and gave me a handover for like 2 hours for the whole data center, and then for the next 30 days I was able to manage it. To a point where we have like other departments like GIS, like you know, geological survey systems and stuff like that. They come with their big racks, and then I have to give the connectivity to the servers, and then I have to make sure that their servers in our data center communicates with their real network out there in their subnet. Was just very easy because of the whole concept which I learned. Basically, I worked for AT&T and Walmart before, and my 80% of my time I used to spend on the operation task of switches. But now I think we hardly don't care about our switches. And this is the truth which I'm telling you, just because we like this product so very much.
Siril, what kind of, when you say operational day-to-day stuff that you used to do before that was removed, you know, this 80%,
yeah.
What kind of things? Can you give us?
First of all, Big Switch takes you to, when you start using this graphic user interface, when you create the interface groups and stuff like that, you already have like a pattern set, and then you just have to, whatever is new has just to be configured to that, so it's way more easier. And also the visibility on like if you want to troubleshoot something or if you want to know where it is fixed. To a point where I have to tell you something where we know, there was an instance where like we know like one guy roamed from one floor to another floor. Big Switch will be able to tell like, okay, this guy is moving from this floor to another floor. So that nobody, I mean, I've not found this in my not able to find it in my past, in my Juniper and Cisco experiences, but we were able to do that. So this is the kind of, and you can just do it with you know, maybe a command, or we can test path with him in the GUI. It's kind of very easy, made it very simple.
Got it. So not much required to
yeah.
become, you know, be able to navigate.
Right.
Very nice, very nice. So thank you guys for doing this, you know, for giving your take. You know, hopefully the rest of the guys, you know, that did the lab yesterday can see this ease of use, and you know, hopefully get to experience it in a real environment. So thank you very much for, and I encourage everyone to speak with these guys because they have the real world experience.
Exactly. Thank you again, and we really appreciate that for your valuable feedback about like Dubai Municipality project. And as Omar said, please feel free to talk to these guys because they talked about simplicity, ease of use, and from our side we can add on top of all of these a cost-effective solution as well. Okay. Thank you.
To ask you a question.
Yeah. Please go ahead.
What was the challenge you had internally from the organization when you want to move from this product, the old one to the Big Switch? While we know for the fact the organization and ministry, they prefer to go with standard vendors like Cisco, Juniper, while you went with Big Switch. So what was the main reason, how you could convince them, the management, that this will work?
See, Dubai Municipality was looking for open standard and open stack. So Big Switch had that feature for that open standard, open stack. While Cisco and Juniper, they came up with some record. They also had like some quoted for something. Nexus and Juniper Q Fabric was there. But after that, they decided to go for this since it supports open standard and open stack features for that. Plus the integration and complete fabric visibility was there. And Big Switch, I think, took our team lead to training to US. And once he got a hands-on, he was very confident on that. And then he did a presentation against the management, and they were happy.
Do you use right now for any open stack feature with containers and?
As of now, it's not there, but see, we have some development going on.
Okay.
So once it will be done, we will be migrating with this.
Okay.
Actually, I think the Dubai Municipality management was very courageous, and this is one of the challenges, we system integrators have when we bring in new technology, right? And they did this 2 years ago, and Prakash was explaining to me that there was a lot of repercussions from the incumbents, that there was a lot of pressure.
Yeah.
That if the project went sour, it would have gone bad. But it went well. They succeeded, and I think from the operation, they benefited greatly. And I think you guys are on the third data center, I believe, running Big Switch.
We are moving to
It was
third data center first.
Okay.
It was the technology which made them to go, or it was the cost which made them?
Yeah, cost also matters.
Because when you compare, naturally you have gone through the way we comparison with different technologies, and also the operations after maintenance and other. Plus the cost will become like big factor, especially for the stakeholders.
Technology as well as the cost, because the price was difference was around 35 to 40%.
Yeah.
And also
all the support.
Support plus the code for this complete data center.
And also I found that the vision of the head of network, his name is Ahmed Al-Madi, his vision is like, find something which is very simple, like ultra simple, and it does not have much of management to do, like somebody work on it. Like he would choose something, like I've seen with all his device selections, let it be security or let it be network, I found something like he would choose something which is like zero touch, rather than like he would prefer zero touch with less managerial than one touch with hell a ton of features and boxes upon boxes and so much things to accomplish for. So that's one thing I found.
How about the support?
Support is actually support. Normally we used to open a ticket with actually MDS supplies. He only got it for this, and normally sometime I used to directly contact Big Switch through email, and they will come online through remote. The US support is there. I am not sure about Middle East side, but normally I used to follow. Just send them an email to support them, and they will come.
So currently there is a 24/7 support dedicated for our region. Okay. There's a team that handles that.
I think we have
But we have the tickets in the whole year.
That one ticket was for upgrade, which you need to create just for support. So I think only two tickets.
Nice, good.
By the way,
And actually, one important point to make about the support A lot of times when we talk to customers, they're saying, okay, my switches are coming from a vendor and Big Switch is providing the software. The idea is that Big Switch takes full responsibility of the whole stack. You know, that's why they have a hardware compatibility list, even to the level of the cables. Okay, when you when you design the solution, you design it, you know, in a way that's been tested and qualified by the Big Switch team. So when you call Big Switch support, they will take it from A to Z, you know, for you. They're not gonna tell you, no, this is an issue with the hardware or, you know, anything like that. They will support you.
Yeah.
So yeah, thank you guys. Any more question that you'd like to ask the two big valuable witnesses for us?
I will ask when we meet the customers.
Very nice.
Okay, good. Thank you guys. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you guys.